have a new fault on the Range Rover. It's one I've not seen before. Adaptive dynamics fault. The usual procedure I try of turning the car off, locking it, turning it back on again didn't fix it. So I'm going to have to investigate what the fault is. It's something to do with the suspension. I have read online that there's often problems with the wires on the front suspension turret, so that's the first place I'm going to check. These are the wires here which can cause problems. The ones on this side look okay. If we look over here, you can see that one of those wires is definitely broken. So I'm going to take this cover off, have a look at the wires and see if I can splice in a new section of wire for that. The cover's held on with two T30 Torx bolts, and there's a grommet which slides into the side there. So with those removed, I can now get at the wires, so I can see the broken wire there. There's plenty of spare wire on it, so I'm just going to strip the insulation back and resolder it, and I'll also be taking a close look at this other wire here. The insulation is definitely damaged on there, so I'll check whether it's just the insulation or whether the cores are damaged as well. Then I'll put some heat shrink on it to finish the job off. Rejoin the wire on there, so I'm now going to wrap it up with some loom tape just to protect it all, and then I shall refit the cover. You can see where I've wrapped the cable up, I've refitted the grommet and the cover. I noticed on the other side of the car that the grommet wasn't fitted properly, so I've just pushed the grommet back in place on there. So that's the job done. So now I'll be able to just close the bonnet, get inside the car and just check that the fault is cleared. There we go, problem solved. So that's it. It only took 5 or 10 minutes to sort the job out. Didn't really cost anything, and problem is fixed. So hopefully if you have the same issue, that's all it is.